You are looking at a system churning out over 5,000 chef-quality meals a day, each individually cooked with the precision of a master chef. This Dutch innovation is a complete robotic kitchen platform designed for central production kitchens like offices, hospitals, and schools, turning out over 900 chef-style meals per hour. What makes this entire process possible is not simply the machinery, but the software controlling it, called the Eatch operating software. It manages ingredient inventory, supplier ordering, recipe creation, production scheduling, cost calculations, quality control, and meal customization. Every recipe exists as digital instructions that can be modified instantly. If seasonal vegetables become available or ingredient prices change, operators can update recipes without redesigning the physical production line. The system even calculates production costs in real time while tracking exactly which ingredients went into every individual meal. The real magic actually happens inside those tilted cooking pans that perfectly replicate the complex wrist motion of a chef stir-frying in a wok. Then, right as the ingredients are sizzling at the perfect temperature, the robotic arm swings over with pinpoint accuracy and injects precise blends of custom spices. Once the dish hits that ideal doneness, the arm tilts the black pan and pours the finished meal smoothly into waiting stainless steel trays below. The self-cleaning cycle keeps the entire operation running non-stop at over 900 meals per hour without downtime or a crew of dishwashers. Availability is primarily targeted at commercial customers in Europe, although the company is actively seeking international partners for broader deployment.